Hey guys, so I was able to find the video where Kevin gets spooked over a bird.
Chaser.
Cloud
You seen the
chaser.
famous part? What do you want, bruv? Get out of it, mate.
It's a bird.
Trying to come in my house.
It's not your house. It's your dad's house.
Oi. Oi, mate, clear off. Get out.
Really? What the hell?
Tried to swing him up, come in my window. Get out,
What the
mate.
hell? What was that?
Get out of here, mate. Get out.
Chase after
Get
it, you
out.
tool. It's a
Oh my God, it
bird.
can't even fly.
It can fly.
Yeah.
It's a bird.
Oh,
He did not just see it can fly.
it can't even fly properly. Clout chaser.
I've got to watch
seen
that
the
again.
famous part? What do you
I
want,
have to.
Get out of it, mate. Trying to come in my house.
I'm just baffled.
Oi.
The noise that he makes
Oi,
here.
mate, clear off. Get out.
What was that supposed to be?
Tried to swing him up, come in my window.
Ringing your what?
Get out, mate.
Jesus.
Get out of here, mate. Get out. Get out. Oh my God, it can't even fly.
Oh, it can't even fly. Of course it can fly, it's a bird.
Oh,
What the hell did I just witness? What did I just witness? Okay, I think that's enough TikTok for me for today. Yeah, it's 6 o'clock in the morning. I clearly need some sleep. Right, I'll catch you in a bit.